Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Before I forget it, please do subscribe. That's what we do on YouTube channels. Hey, I'm here at the Ram Dodge Chrysler Jeep dealer, and I see this Charger here, and I thought I said it's a Charger, I'm not gonna film it, but I thought I would anyways, because a couple of reasons. First of all, the Charger will be discontinued, which is both understandable since it's an old design, old platform, but sad too, because we don't have many sedans anymore, you know. And now even something like the Charger, which has always been around, will be gone. The other thing is, look at that color. There's a brand new vehicle here. It still has all the protective stuff on it from transportation. Look at that color. It's like a purple. It's pretty unique, let's call it that way. This particular here one has the 3.6 liter V6 that's been around forever in Chrysler products, and it's all-wheel drive, and it has a base price of $37,000, and that is a lot of car for the money. You know, you get a lot of car for the money there. And even though I'm not a huge Dodge Chrysler fan, that is a lot of money. And someone who wants to have a sedan should probably look into an option like this. Maybe not in this color if you don't like that, but you know what I mean. Let's have a look inside. Well, we see cloth seats, but I guess you can't expect everything for the money, and especially in this trim. So this is the, man, I'm really not a Dodge guy, I should know that. This is the SXT trim, and yeah, it looks sportier. It looks a lot sportier than it is, you know. I mean, it doesn't look like a Hellcat, unless you don't know what a Hellcat looks like, but it looks a lot sportier than it is. So yeah, there you have a Dodge Charger. I think it would be a good deal for the money, and if you want one, go get one before they're gone, because they will be discontinued. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time on my channel.